So finally, after 2 years, we're actually going to start getting this tank set up, and we've got Darren from Kettering Aquatics coming over in about half an hour with sand and water and rock, and all the wiring was done last night, so we've just run mains to an RCD unit at the back there, which happens to be waterproof for no particular reason other than that was cheaper than the other ones I could see on Amazon. We've got a block there, all switchable, all with lights, so you can easily see which ones are on and off. We've got an auto top-up unit there, which is that particular make. We have got another block here, which will probably, once this is all finished, it will probably be moved to the back and possibly hung on the wall as well, so all of the cables are out of the way. I've got 2 heaters, and they're going to be run off of this socket, which is switchable by Alexa. These are TP Links HS100s. We've already got a whole load of these around.
Here are a few things on TV right now.
Good old Alexa. Alexa, stop. Piece of junk.
Okay, see you next time.
So we've got one for the heater, one for the skimmer, and we'll be controlling the standard lights that come with it with one as well. There's a water leak detector that will be going in there as well. Yeah, Seneye is all up and running. We've gone for the Vortec MP40s. It didn't seem really to be much choice, frankly. If you want something decent, they're super expensive, but I think they're probably still the best that you can get. Yeah, there's all the plumbing and various bits and pieces. We have decided to change the skimmer immediately. The skimmer that it comes with seems pretty poor, frankly. I don't want to see anything with water in it or going in and out of it hanging over the side of a sump. So that is the Quantum 160. What else have we changed? Yes, the return pump. We've gone for the Vectra. I think it's the S. Again, super expensive. It's not here yet. Darren will be bringing that over with him. It's about 250 quid, but again, just seems to be the best on the market currently. It's a few years old now, and the reviews seem to be great, and the follow-ups are also really good. So that will be going in there, and yeah, just looking forward to getting this up and running after such a length of time. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, so we'll do updates on this as we go.